Welcome. Today we'll walk through how to enforce SafeSearch for all LAN clients using a DrayTech router. This guide focuses on the manual configuration required in DrayOS 5 to ensure content filtering is applied automatically across your network. SafeSearch is a feature provided by major search engines like Google and Bing that helps filter inappropriate or explicit content from search results. It's commonly used in workplaces and schools to create a safer browsing environment. When SafeSearch is enforced at the network level, it applies to all devices on the LAN and helps prevent users from bypassing the setting through browser changes. The LAN DNS feature on a DrayTech router makes it happen. This allows network administrators to enforce SafeSearch regardless of individual user settings on their devices. Compared to DrayOS 4, covered in the previous video, where SafeSearch enforcement required manually mapping IP addresses or CNAME records through the LAN DNS function, DrayOS 5 includes a dedicated SafeSearch option. Administrators can now apply SafeSearch to LAN clients with just a few simple selections and checkboxes. In this video, we'll first lock down DNS on the LAN to prevent users from bypassing filtering using encrypted DNS methods like DOH, DNS over HTTPS, and DOT, DNS over TLS. We'll do this by 1. Forcing clients to use the router for DNS, 2. Blocking known DOH providers, 3. Blocking DOT and DNS crypt ports, and 4. Enabling SafeSearch using LAN DNS. Let's look at how to configure this on DrayOS 5 routers. First, we need to ensure all LAN clients are using the router's DNS. Go to Configuration, LAN, Edit, then go to More Settings. Find Force DNS Redirection and toggle it to Enabled. Step 2. Create a keyword object for DOH domains. We'll block common public DOH providers by domain name. Go to Configuration, Objects, Keyword Object, then click Add. Create a keyword object, for example, DOH, and add these domains. dns.google, cloudflare-dns.com, doh.opendns.com, dns.next, dns.io, dns.quad9.net, doh.cleanbrowsing.org. This blocks many common DOH endpoints, but DOH can also be hosted on other domains or CDNs. This method is strong, but not guaranteed to block every possible DOH service. Now we apply that keyword object in content filtering. Go to Security, Firewall Filter, Content Filters. Create a new rule to block connections that match the keyword object you created. Click Add to create a new profile, then enable it. Leave the schedule, direction, interface, and source as the default settings. Set the destination to the DOH keyword object we just created. Select Block as the action, then click Apply to save. Next, create service objects for DOT and DNS crypt ports. Go to Configuration, Objects, Service Type Object, then click Add. Create a service for UDP 443. This port is used by some DNS crypt implementations. Give the service object a name, set the protocol to UDP, then enter 443 as the destination start and end port. Click Apply to save. Create another service for TCP 853. This is the standard port for DOT, DNS over TLS. Give the service object a name, set the protocol to TCP, then enter 853 as the destination start and end port. Click Apply to save. These service objects will be used in the next step to block encrypted DNS traffic that doesn't rely on specific domain names. Now we enforce those blocks using IP filter. Go to Security, Firewall Filters, IP Filters. Click Add to create a new profile. Then enable it. Leave the schedule, direction, interface, and source as the default settings. Set the destination to service object and look for UDP 443 and TCP 853. Select Block as the action, enable syslog, and then click Apply to save. Finally, we enforce SafeSearch via LAN DNS. Go to Configuration, DNS, LAN DNS/forwarding. Click Add and create a SafeSearch profile for Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and other providers if needed. Let's look at what users will see and how to troubleshoot if SafeSearch doesn't take effect immediately. Google will display a SafeSearch message indicating that it is locked by the network or device. Bing will have SafeSearch set to strict, where explicit content is filtered from results. DuckDuckGo works in a similar way. If a user searches for inappropriate content, unsafe results will be filtered, and the search may return no results. If SafeSearch doesn't work as expected, try these steps. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Next, clear the DNS cache on your device. On Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flush DNS. Finally, restart the router and test SafeSearch again. By following these steps, SafeSearch is now enforced for all LAN clients using DrayOS 5's LAN DNS feature. Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo searches will automatically be redirected to their SafeSearch versions. This helps ensure a safer browsing experience and prevents users from easily bypassing SafeSearch settings on the network. And that's it. SafeSearch is now applied to every device on your LAN, so students can browse with safer search results by default. Thank you for watching. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information about DrayTech products, please check out our website at draytech.com.au or send us an email to sales@draytech.com.au or give us a call on 02-9838-8899.